pipitasin today. Tapusin nyo ang video. At nang tayo ay sabay-sabay na umasenso. Tapusin ang video at mag-react. Yan ang gustong-gusto ni algorithm. Alright. Ito pa. Ang haba-haba niya. Ang pipino, mahaba. Kasi the cucumber, it's long. The peppers. Oh my God! Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki siya. Ang laki niya. Ito pa. Ang dami niya. Kailangan talaga pitasin natin. Okay, this is enough for now. I don't wanna pick 3 of them because I think it is within 2 days it's still, you know, growing. What do you think?
Yeah, that one's ready. That one's ready. Right there.
This one? It's ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ang kakatuwa talaga. Okay,
You missed it. You missed it. The big one right
This
there.
one?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. 3! So I got 6. Look at that. Kaya nakakatuwa. Yung dala ng kasiyahan sa akin is hindi mabibili. That's our happiness. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like and share, please. Thank you.